Right folks, so look, I got the PAZ up and running, so I thought you might like to see a run. I just come in here because it's a bit noisy out there because you can't hear me talking when the engine's running. I've got it running quite slow at the moment, don't want to upset the neighbours. Got a few little jobs to do on the trolley still, got some rubber mounts coming to try and give it a bit of cushioning. I've got to get new wheels for the trolley because the wheels are rubbish. Need to get some rubber tired small wheels, but come and have a look at her running. Here she is. So there she is, she's all up and running. So yeah, they're the wheels, they're not very good. I've got to get some better wheels. I'm going to put some rubber mounts on the front. So give it a bit of cushion because it does rattle around a bit. So yeah, there she is. So very pleased with that. She looks good, doesn't she? Another good old PAZ1 rescued. So I'll do an update on the trolley in due course. So I'll just wait for the rubber mounts to arrive. And then we'll get it completely finished. Here's the old CS under here. Might get her out soon, and we got an LT1 under there. And there's the little Ransoms. There's a British Seagull hiding behind here. But today it's all about the PAZ1. So I hope you enjoyed the little videos and backtrack on the earlier ones if you haven't looked at some of the earlier videos of when I first got it and the condition it was in. So that's all for now folks, over and out. See you next time.